daydream on this new highway. Rookie hand shaking on the wheel. Radio low, CB ringing. Every mile, a lesson I can feel. White knuckles wrap around this season, 18 wheels humming through the night. I count the markers, miss the reasons why the kitchen lights stayed on so bright. I'm a lost cowboy of the highway, rolling past the life I left behind. Family learned to live around the silence while I chase distance, chasing time. Brotherhood on every lonely channel, names and numbers fading in the sky. I'm a lost cowboy of the highway till my last goodbye. Learning from my mistakes in motion. Coffee stains and crumpled pay stubs on the dash. Months go by like broken seconds. Birthdays buried under miles of gas. They pass a cake round in my absence, blow the candle, say my name in half a joke. I pass a town I'll never settle, breathing diesel, wearing hope like smoke. I'm a lost cowboy of the highway, rolling past the life I left behind. Family learned to live around the silence while I chase distance, chasing time. Brotherhood on every lonely channel, names and numbers fading in the sky. I'm a lost cowboy of the highway till my last goodbye. Do they hate me? Do they miss me? Or just fold my chair away? I keep talking to the rear view like it might let me stay. I'm a